about the world are the things you'd like to know. You don't need a lab to see that science is fab with Molly's Science Show. Do you want to be a scientist? You can! Today, Molly will show you one of her favourite science experiments to try at home. First, ask an adult for help with setting up and conducting your experiments. Make sure you have a clear and covered area to work with, gloves and eye protection. Did you know that the substance that gives red cabbage its colour can help us learn about chemistry? Ask an adult to chop a red cabbage and place it in a bowl of hot water, making sure that all of the cabbage is covered. When the water turns purple and cools down, use a colander to remove the cabbage. Now see what happens when you pour some cabbage liquid into 3 glasses with lemon juice, water and bicarbonate of soda. The cabbage juice is a pH indicator, which means its colour changes depending on a liquid's pH. It turns red or pink when the solution is acidic, and blue, green or yellow if it's alkaline. Looking at the scale on the screen, do you think the 3 substances are acidic, alkaline or neutral? Now explore other liquids around your house, like hand soap, window cleaner or vinegar. Remember to wear protective gloves when handling chemicals and only do it under supervision. Check out other fun experiments by Molly on the Twinkl Kids TV YouTube channel.